Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In today's video, we are going to discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12 and also we'll learn the most important subtopic in the chapter Sources of Corporate Finance. Types of preference shares. Students, types means parts. Prakar. Preference shares, as we all know, we have studied this in a previous session. It is said to be those shares which carry preferential right in respect of payment of dividend and repayment of capital. So students, in our today's session, we'll learn various types of preference shares from which company raise funds in its business. There are 8 different types of preference shares, which is based on, the very first one is on the basis of rights to arrears dividend, that is cumulative preference shares and non-cumulative preference shares. Second, on the basis of convertibility, that is convertible preference shares and non-convertible preference shares. Third, on the basis of further rights with respect to profit, that is participating preference shares and non-participating preference shares. Fourth, on the basis of redemption, that is redeemable preference shares and irredeemable preference shares. So students, let's study in detail the 8 different types of preference shares. The very first type of preference share is cumulative preference shares. Students, cumulative means increasing, बढ़ते जाना. Preference shares, as you all know, those shares which carry first right in respect of payment of dividend and repayment of capital. Those shares on which dividend goes on accumulating. Accumulating means which goes on increasing, बढ़ते जाना, until it is fully paid. This accumulated dividend is paid when company performs well. Company performs well means when company earns profit, when company makes profit. So this type means in case a company does not pay dividend for particular year, they are carried forward to next year. That is, dividend gets accumulated. And when the company makes profit and decide to pay dividend, then this accumulated dividend first gets paid. हाँ स्टूडेंट, जब जब कंपनी नहीं पे कर पाई डिविडेंड जिस जिस साल में, वो साल के अनपेड डिविडेंड ऐड होते चले जाते हैं जब तक कंपनी को प्रॉफिट नहीं होता तब तक. और जब कंपनी को प्रॉफिट होता है और वो डिविडेंड पे कर रहे हैं, तो कंपनी इन शेयर होल्डर्स को, दैट इज क्यूमुलेटिव प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स को, वो साल का करंट ईयर का डिविडेंड तो देंगे ही, लेकिन लास्ट ईयर का जो अनपेड डिविडेंड है वो भी उन्हें ऐड करके देंगे. टू मेक दिस पॉइंट easy, there is an example. Dividend for the year 2019 is not paid and in the year 2020 company earned profit. This example means a company has not paid dividend for the year 2019 to the preference shareholders. So now in the year 2020 they have earned profit, they have made profit. So the company will pay such preference shareholders, that is cumulative preference shareholders, dividend not only for the year 2020 but also for the year, that is last year 2019. So those shares on which dividend goes on accumulating are said to be the cumulative preference shares. Next type of preference share is non-cumulative preference shares. They are said to be the opposite of cumulative preference shares. Those shares on which dividend does not get accumulated. Does not get accumulated means जो carry forward नहीं होते हैं, जो increase नहीं होते हैं. If dividend is not paid in any year, it is lost forever. This type means in case the company fails to pay dividend on such preference shares in any year, then such dividend is never paid in the future. To make this point easy, we'll take the same example where company has not paid dividend for the year 2019, that is for the last year, and in the current year, that is 2020, they have earned the profit and now they are declaring the dividend. So the company will pay such preference shareholders, that is non-cumulative preference shareholders, they will pay dividend not for the year 2019, they will pay only for the year, that is for the current year 2020. Third type of preference share is convertible preference shares. Students, convertible means which can be converted, which can be changed, जो बदल सकते हैं. The holder of the shares have right to convert their preference shares into equity shares after specified period. This means this type of share means it gives such preference shareholders right to change their preference shares into equity shares after the fixed period, after the given period. There is an example which will make you this point easy to understand. Mr. A has purchased convertible type of preference shares for a period of 5 years. Students, यहाँ पर मिस्टर ए नाम के पर्सन ने 5 साल के लिए कंपनी का कन्वर्टेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स खरीदा है. सो आफ्टर 5 years his preference shares will be converted into equity shares. So those shares, that is those preference shares which can be converted into equity share is said to be the convertible preference shares. Fourth type of preference share is non-convertible preference shares. Students, non-convertible means which cannot be converted, which cannot be changed, जो बदल नहीं सकते. Hence, this type of share means that cannot be converted into equity shares are said to be the non-convertible preference shares. We'll take the same example to make this point clear. Mr. A has purchased non-convertible type of preference share for a period of 5 years. So student, after 5 years, his preference share will be not converting into equity shares. It will be redeemed. Company will pay back his capital. Fifth type of preference share is participating preference shares. Student, participating means to take part, हिस्सा लेना. These shares have right to participate in surplus profit. Surplus means additional, extra profit of the company. Hence, such preference shareholders not only receive fixed rate of profit from the company, but also they are eligible for the extra, that is surplus profit of the company whenever the company is earning. Sixth type of preference share is non-participating preference shares. Non-participating means जो हिस्सा नहीं ले सकते हैं. These shareholders are entitled to only get fixed rate of dividend prescribed at the time of issue. This type means these shares having no right to participate in the surplus profit of the company. They cannot participate in the extra profit of the company. Here, such preference shareholders receive only fixed rate of dividend. He is not eligible for the extra, that is the surplus profit of the company. Seventh type of preference share is redeemable preference shares. Students, redeemable means which are paid back, which are repaid. So those shares which can be redeemed after certain fixed period of time is said to be the redeemable preference shares. Example, company has issued redeemable preference shares for the period of 5 years. Here, after the completion of 5 years, company has to pay back the money which they have received by issuing such kind of shares. Last type of preference share is irredeemable preference share. Irredeemable means which are not paid back, which are not repaid. They are referred to those shares that cannot be redeemed during the lifetime of the company. They do not have maturity period. They get paid back at time of winding up of the company. According to the Companies Act 2013, Section 55, subsection 1, a company cannot issue irredeemable preference shares. Yes, student. Company cannot issue this kind of preference share for raising fund in the business. So these were the 8 types of preference shares. Next class we'll learn new subtopic under the sources of corporate finance. Thank you.